Hi everyone, welcome to today's assembly. This is Mrs. Barnard
and Miss Pemberton, and we are here today to talk to you about the student leadership team this year.
Okay, so what exactly do we mean by the student leadership team? What is it that you're going to do? Well, what we're looking for is one representative from each tutor group in years 7 to 10 who will be responsible for raising the profile of their tutor group and basically talking to staff, talking to other students about what is important to your tutor group and the changes in the school that you would like to make, the comments on the school that you have, what works well, what can be improved. So we're looking for this person to really be a visible presence in your tutor group and in the school as a whole, and to come and discuss key issues that affect absolutely everybody and put your tutor group's point of view across. It's really important because it is the chance for you guys to have your say on the issues that affect you and to get your views over to everybody else.
So practically, what is this going to look like? What would be expected of you if you take on this role? Well, the first thing is the agenda items will be discussed with your entire tutor group. So the things that have been raised as points to discuss, you will discuss with your tutor group and take notes so that you can bring those thoughts to us. Then we will do a half-termly meeting, which will be during tutor time and extended into period 1, with me or with Mrs. Barnard, where you will feed back the things that you have found and the things that your tutor group have said. And then after that, once we have discussed it as a group and we've come up with some action plans and things like that, you will take that information back to your tutor group so that you can keep the communication between us and them really, really clear. The other thing is that you'll be working with the senior student team. We had that election just a few weeks ago, and we think it's really important to keep that communication between us and the senior student team and you as the student leadership team.
So who do we want? Well, we want one person from each tutor group, as we've said before, but it doesn't have to be somebody who has previously been involved in Student Voice. If you have previously been involved in Student Voice and you'd like to get involved, that's absolutely fine. We would be very, very happy to have you. We are going to welcome absolutely everybody. So if you've been involved in Student Voice before, that's brilliant. But if you haven't, don't think, oh, well, I don't know what to do. I'm not quite sure whether they'll listen to me. Everybody is going to be considered. So the profile really of the person that we want, we thought about the core values when we sort of drew this up together. And we want somebody who shows integrity, somebody who can stand up for their peers and stand up for themselves, to make their voice known. Somebody who's good at working with other people, so that key value of community, listening to other people and working practically with other people. We want somebody who's kind in putting their views forward, and somebody who will attend the meetings with positivity, not somebody who'll come with a negative attitude, but somebody who'll really want to get on and work well with other people and show that bit of resilience. We might not be able to do everything at once, but I'm sure that we can work together to build some positivity. And we want somebody who is going to treat other people with respect and equality, listen to everybody else's views, whether you agree with them or not. So if that sounds like you, then you are the person that we would like.
If this is all sounding like something that you want to get involved with and something that you think you can make a really positive change, then what you need to do is the following. You need to express interest to your tutor. So tutors can decide how they would like those to come. It might be that you email your tutor, speak to them after the end of today's session and things like that to tell them that you would like to get involved with this student leadership team. Then what we're going to ask you to do is on Wednesday of this week to hold an election or a hustings on Wednesday the 25th of November. Again, this will be down to tutors, how this might look in your individual tutor groups, but it's a time for you to say to your whole tutor group why you would like to represent them on the student leadership team and the things that you think you can bring to that role. Then you will have a vote as a tutor group so that you have an elected member of this leadership team. And then you're going to come along to the meetings and have your say and be able to put across the say of the other people in your group.
So you might have been listening to this and think, well, what's in it for me? Why do they need me? What is the benefit to me of getting involved in the student leadership team? Okay, so thinking about it, we want to hear from you. You are the most important people in the whole school. We are all here for you and we are here to help you. And therefore it's really important that we listen to what you've got to say. We want to hear you. We want to give you an opportunity to talk about the things that matter to you as students. And they might not necessarily always be the things that staff think of. So it's really important that you get your voice across. From a practical point of view, getting involved in the student leadership team could help you as you move through the school and also towards your chosen path post-16 and your chosen career path. It gives you the opportunity to develop critical thinking skills, to work with other people, to solve problems, to lead groups. Lots of employers and future courses are always looking for people who have shown leadership. It may improve your confidence, will help you to speak publicly and give you practice in speaking in front of other people. So there are lots and lots of benefits to you individually as well as to the school as a whole. So that's where we would like to leave you really. Thank you so much for listening and for taking our words on board, and we are really excited about working with you in the very near future. So if you're interested, please make sure that you let your tutor know. Thank you.